Hey everybody, thank you so much for stopping by. This is Miss Shaz if you are stopping by for the first time, and in case you have been around, welcome back to my channel. So on today's clip, I'd love to share with you this look. As you've already seen, the title is about a work look, everyday work look, or you can also call it a school look. Yeah, if you'd love this look and you want to see how I got it, then stay tuned and check this out. So I went ahead and did my brows off camera. Please check the info box if you need another clip on how I do my brows. So next step, I am going to use my Garnier Hydro Bomb Moisturizer. So this is a day cream. Yes, so I'm gonna apply this all over my face, just so that it's moisturized throughout the day. Once that's done, I'm going to use my primer. So I'm using the Shine Killer from NYX. You want to use a primer because you're going to stay all day, let's say for 8 hours, and you don't want to feel too oily after 4 hours. So this is really a great idea. Next, I'm going to apply my foundation. I'm using L'Oreal True Match, and then using the oval brush, I am going to apply this all over my face. Usually, I just need about 1.5 pumps for this. So you want to make sure that you really spread that well all over your face, you know, so that it's so even. Face has the foundation and it's time to go in with a concealer. The concealer I'm using is from NYX. Sorry. Yeah, my camera is new and I still need to figure out how to work with it. So I'm using the concealer under my eyes, along the bridge of my nose, you know, the usual places. Next thing, I'm going to use my sponge, my blending sponge, and I am going to blend in the concealer. Next, I'm going to contour my face, and for this I'm using Bobbi Brown foundation stick in Espresso. After that, I'll set in my concealer using the Sacha Buttercup and the same blending sponge. So I'm just going to apply this to all the places that I applied the concealer. This is going to help the concealer not move around. Once that's done, I'll use my brush to just dust off all the powder. After that, I'll go ahead with my powder brush and powder, which is also from L'Oreal True Match, and I'll just apply this all over my face. At this point, I'm going to just use my brow gel, you know, to just keep the brow hairs in place. Next, I'm going to use my blush brush, and using this blush palette, I normally like just that one, and I'm going to apply this on my cheekbones. Afterwards, I'm going to use my Kiko Radiant Touch. So I use this as a highlighter. It's actually a highlighter, yeah. And using my highlighter brush, I am just going to apply this along the bridge of my nose. Yeah, I just needed enough. Yeah, and so I'm just going to apply this to all the necessary places. Now it's time to do my eyes. I'm going to start off by using my eyeliner, the black one, and I just apply that on my waterline. And next, using my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to start with the lightest eyeshadow. This is going to act as a base. Once that's done, I'm going to use the darker one. So this is a dark brown, and I'm going to apply that on the corners of my eyes. Then using a eyeshadow blending brush, I'm going to blend these two colors just to give me a nice transition. Then I'll go back and take another eyeshadow. So this is a tiny bit darker than the first one that acted as a base. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply this all over that place. And then again, using the blending brush, I'm going to blend this together. So now I'm going to apply my mascara. So the one I'm using is from L'Oreal Paris. Yeah, so my camera went off, but I was applying my eyeshadow, oh sorry, my lip liner. So this is a brown one. So you can either use a brown lip liner or a brown lipstick. After that, I'm going to use my lip gloss. Yeah, so I just need that place to be a bit glossy. I mean, it's winter and you know the lips can get cracky if not glossed up. Once the face is done, it's time to do my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and start by brushing my hair while waiting for my curling iron to get warm or hot. So as I wait, I'm going to just spray in my prep and prime from MAC, you know, just to get that dewy look and to get rid of all the powder. Now I'm going to start curling my hair. So I'll just be curling it more on the downer part, like I don't really need curls, I just need to curl up the down part. So my lovies, this is the finished look. I think it's quite neutral. I love how the eyeshadow is super simple, you know, but still looks great. Yeah, so if you like, you can either leave the hair straight like it is, or if you are the kind of person who prefers to tie their hair up, you can go ahead and tie this up, because it's still going to look beautiful whether tied up or let loose. This makeup is also specs friendly, so if you wear spectacles, you are good to go. And of course, I wanted to show you how the same look would look if you decided to wear a different hair, like a different hair color. So this is one of my other wigs, you know, a brown one, and yeah, I think it's still really beautiful with the look. Yeah, so once again, this is my natural everyday makeup. Just let me know how you like it, try it out, and I hope to catch you all in my next video. Stay blessed, have a blessed week, and yeah, if you are not yet subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button, because I'd love to see you again in my next video. And yeah, that's it. Thank you, bye.